All right, it's time for our gadget guide, and this week it is the coolest little gadget called the TV Be Gone, a small keyring device that will turn off any television. It seems to scan through the frequencies, just shooting off a whole lot of off frequencies, and it turns TVs off. One click, off.
Bang.
Anytime, any place.
How much of a pain in the ass would that be if you turned off a TV while someone was trying to sell it to you?
That's pretty good. You look. Andrew, stop to the TV, please. Yeah, good, thanks. It's working. Wow, amazing, yeah.
Being that we're so passionate when it comes to rugby in this country, wouldn't we be a bunch of flaming mongrels if we went to a pub and turned off the TVs during a big rugby game?
Great fun, and they're cheap as. We'll link to the website at choicecuts.co.nz. You can win your own one there and just chuck it on your keyring. Turn TVs off everywhere you go.